Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of skincare with a focus on the popular HydraFacial treatment, perfect for our 18 to 40-year-old audience, especially the ladies looking for that radiant glow. Now, let's explore what HydraFacial is all about, its benefits, and a few things to consider before booking your appointment. So, what exactly is HydraFacial? It's a non-invasive treatment that combines cleansing, exfoliation, extraction, hydration, and antioxidant protection in a single session only. It uses a patented device to infuse your skin with serums tailored to your specific needs. But what can you expect from this treatment? First, let's talk about the benefits. One of the biggest draws of HydraFacial is its instant results. You can walk out with a brighter, more hydrated complexion in just about 30 minutes. It's suitable for all skin types, whether you're dealing with acne, dryness, or even signs of aging. Plus, it's customizable, meaning your skincare professional can tailor the serums to target your specific concerns. Another significant advantage is the minimal downtime. Unlike more invasive procedures, you can resume your daily activities immediately, making it perfect for those with a busy lifestyle. However, no treatment is without its drawbacks. While HydraFacial is generally safe, some individuals may experience mild redness or irritation post-treatment, particularly those with sensitive skin. Also, results are temporary. For lasting effects, regular sessions are recommended, which can add up in cost over time. Lastly, it's essential to choose a reputable provider. Not all devices are created equal, and an inexperienced technician can lead to less than ideal results. And here, I would say that it's better that the person whom you are taking facial from should be qualified health professional so that he knows the facial anatomy best and can better handle you without causing any harm to your body. After all, what's more comforting than knowing that you are in the right hands? In summary, HydraFacial can be an excellent option for achieving that dewy glow, especially if you're looking for a quick refresh. Just remember to weigh the benefits against the potential drawbacks and choose a qualified professional. If you've had a HydraFacial experience, we'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, stay radiant